I'm 15. I come from Milan in Italy. This is my first time here in Mekelle celebrating the Ascenda, and it's all new for me. I really like this place. I really like this celebration because I think that it's the symbol of a culture for young women that wants to be bigger when they get older. So, as I said, this is my first time here. So my mom explained all that. They put clothes like the ones that it's like this. They put necklace. They put earrings. A lot of jewelry. These things in the head. They do all the girls have the shurubba, and they all put it for the shanda. And I really like that celebration. I come from Italy and we don't do celebrations like this, but it's like everybody has to try that because it's really, really beautiful. All these people, they are all united for one celebration. It's really, really good. Ascenda, in one word, it's beautiful. It's one of the best thing ever.
ሳሮን ተስፋይ አሜሪካ ካሊፎርኒያ
እሺ በዓል አሸንዳ ከመይ ረኺብዮ
ጥቡቅ በጣም ወዲድዮ ጥቡቅ ብዙ ለማስተዋወቅ ለጓደኞቻቸው እና ለብዙ ሰው ለመናገር ባህላዊ ልብሱን ለመልበስ ትራዲሽን ልብስ መልበስ ፀጉር መሰራት ሶሻል ሚዲያ ለማሳየት ማስተዋወቅ ለሁሉም ሰው እኔ ትግርኛ እለምዳለሁ ለልጄ ትግርኛ ስለምዳለሁ አመጣለሁ አሸንዳ ትግበቀለ ኢንቨስት ለማድረግ እዚህ ለመኖር ሀሳብ አለኝ እኔ